Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on parental control in Google Play Store. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here, open up my Play Store. Then having opened up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to go to family. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on parental control. Then the next thing you can do is to simply click on here to turn it on. Create a PIN, then hit on OK, confirm your PIN, then hit on OK, boom, and your parental control has been fully turned on. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn on parental control in your Play Store. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.